The real me isn't even filming this. YouTube just announced you can now clone yourself with AI to make shorts. Is this the end of real creators? Or let me rephrase that. You don't need a camera to go viral in 2026. YouTube's new AI likeness tool is here, and it's going to change how you make money forever. All right, let's get real for a second. Neal Mohan, YouTube's CEO, just dropped a bombshell in his annual letter, and it's something that could fundamentally reshape what it means to be a creator on this platform. We're talking about AI-driven tools that can literally create video content using your likeness, your voice, without you ever stepping in front of a camera. The idea is simple but mind-blowing. You feed an AI your image, your voice, and it generates content for you. Imagine you want to create a short explaining a quick recipe. Instead of setting up your lights, your camera, and doing multiple takes, you just type out a script, and your AI double does the rest. It sounds like science fiction, but it's the future YouTube is actively building. Now, before we all panic and think robots are taking our jobs, let's break down what this actually means. In his letter, Mohan framed this as an empowerment tool. He talked about breaking down creative barriers. Think about it. What are the biggest hurdles for new creators? Time, resources, and technical skill? Filming, editing, sound design? It's a massive undertaking. What if AI could handle the heavy lifting? What if you could produce a high-quality video just from an idea and a script? This could democratize content creation on a scale we've never seen before. It opens the door for people with amazing ideas, but maybe not the fancy gear or the time to produce traditional videos. It could also be a game changer for established creators, allowing us to scale our content production exponentially. Instead of one video a week, what if you could produce 5 or even 10 without burning out? The potential for growth is immense. Let's dive deeper into the specifics Mohan mentioned. The initial focus seems to be on shorts. This makes perfect sense. The short-form format is ideal for testing a technology like this. The clips are brief, the production is simpler, and the fast-paced nature of the shorts feed is perfect for AI-generated content. He specifically mentioned a feature called Dream Screen, which allows creators to generate AI-created photo and video backgrounds for their shorts just by typing in a prompt. This is already a step towards reducing the need for physical sets or complex green screen setups. The AI likeness tool is the logical next step. Imagine combining these. You type a video of me explaining quantum physics on Mars, and the AI generates the background and has your digital twin deliver the script. It's wild. But with great power comes great responsibility, right? The immediate concern for many creators is authenticity. Is a video created by an AI version of me still me? Will audiences connect with a digital puppet in the same way they connect with a real person, flaws and all? This is the million-dollar question. Mohan and YouTube are very aware of this. He stressed the importance of safeguards and transparency. The plan includes clear labeling for AI-generated content, so viewers always know what they're watching. They're also working on policies to prevent misuse, like creating deep fakes or unauthorized likenesses of other people. This is crucial. Without trust, the whole system falls apart. YouTube's approach seems to be to put the creator in the driver's seat. You, the creator, would have total control over your AI likeness. It can't be used without your explicit permission. This is your digital identity, and YouTube wants you to own it. Let's think about the practical applications. For an educational channel, this is a dream. You could have your AI self translate and redub your videos into multiple languages, reaching a global audience instantly. Think of Khan Academy, but personalized, with the founder's likeness teaching in Spanish, Mandarin, and Hindi simultaneously. Or what about a news channel? A creator could write a script for a breaking news update and have their AI avatar publish it within minutes, while the real creator is out in the field gathering more information. For gaming creators, you could have your AI self-narrate gameplay highlights while you focus on the live stream. The possibilities are endless and extend far beyond just making more content faster. It's about making smarter, more accessible, and more diverse content. However, we can't ignore the potential downsides. What does this do to the value of a real human creator? If anyone can generate a perfect-looking video, will the craft of cinematography and performance be devalued? This is a valid fear. I believe what will happen is a shift in what audiences value. The focus might move away from production quality, which will become standardized, and more towards the core idea, the personality, the script, and the community engagement. The creators who succeed will be the ones with the most compelling ideas and the strongest connection to their audience, regardless of whether they're on camera themselves. Your unique perspective, your humor, your expertise, those are things AI can't replicate. It can mimic your voice, but it can't mimic your soul. The human element becomes the premium. Another major aspect is the monetization. Neal Mohan's vision is tied directly to the creator economy. If these tools allow you to create more, they also open up more avenues for earning. Imagine selling language-dubbed versions of your content in different markets. or creating personalized video messages for fans using your AI avatar, fulfilled instantly. This could create new revenue streams that are completely passive. So, is this the end of real creators? I don't think so. I think it's the beginning of the hybrid creator. We'll see a blend of content. Maybe you film your main long-form videos yourself, where your personal presence is key, but you use your AI double to create shorts, promotional clips, and translated content. It's not about replacement, it's about augmentation. It's like when synthesizers were introduced to music. Some feared it was the end of real musicians. Instead, it just created a whole new genre of music and gave artists new tools to express themselves. This is the same thing. AI won't replace your creativity, it will amplify it. The most successful creators will be the ones who learn to master these new tools and integrate them into their workflow. Let's think 5 years down the line. A creator might manage a whole team of their own AI likenesses. One AI is an expert on shorts, another handles content for TikTok, and a third creates educational courses. The creator's job evolves from being a performer to being a creative director and overseer of their own digital media empire. This is the future Neal Mohan is painting. It's ambitious, a little scary, but also incredibly exciting. It's a future where the only limit to what you can create is your own imagination, not your budget, your time, or your technical skills. In conclusion, this isn't a story about robots taking over. It's a story about evolution. The landscape of content creation is shifting, and YouTube is placing a massive bet that AI is the key to unlocking the next wave of creativity. They are building the tools, the guardrails, and the monetization systems to support this new era. The question is no longer if this will happen, but when and how we, as creators, will adapt. Will we fear it, or will we embrace it? I, for one, am cautiously optimistic. The potential to break down barriers and empower a new generation of storytellers is too great to ignore. This could be the most significant change to YouTube since its inception. What do you think? Is this an exciting new frontier for creators, or the beginning of the end for authentic content? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. I'm genuinely curious to hear your take on this. Thanks for watching. And if you want to stay updated on the future of content creation, make sure to subscribe. See you in the next one.